Tough job.
It is a hard job. It's the most difficult thing an astronaut has to do. Самый трудный.
All right, guys, here we go. Ready? Ready? 3, 1, 2. Go, 1, 2. Okay. Big smile this time.
Good. All right. One second.
We're gonna come in and take this.
All right. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Great. Yeah, well, that's just
Tell.
right there. Good.
All right.
Ready, ready, ready. Yes. All right, one more. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, right in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, guys. Right in here. Here we go. 1, 2.
A little less small.
Like radishes.
Don't make me laugh. What about my hair? I have to go visit Kat again. She's gonna square me away.
Guys, ready? That's very smart. Go again.
This would have the heavy editing.
Oh, I believe on that one, I think.
All right, one more. All right, guys, right in here for me. Go, good, good, good. Great. Kevin, just a little head tilt, just touch. Good job, guys. Good. All right, one more. Big smiles this time. There you go. Good. Got it. All right. There you go. Right in there. Good job. One more. I'm gonna do one not smiling this time. Sure.
Yes, smile.
No, I said not.
No, not smile this time.
Not smile.
Less,
Sorry,
less,
too hard.
less smile. Less,
Wow.
less, no smile.
Less.
Oh, less smiles.
Less,
Serious
less,
about me.
serious.
How about me?
Okay, guys, here we go.
Another one's on my guy, yeah. Somewhere along the line.
Here we go.
Once you get off.
And one more smile. Great. Okay, and then no smile this time. Here we go. Great job, guys. One more. Here we go. Great.
Not so bad.
You guys gonna stay?
Perfect. One more. Good. Big smile this time. Ready?
Today is not a Friday, you know, and we are in jeans. It's according.
It's not Friday, but it's
It's,
Houston.
okay.
Gotta look a little
It's
bit like-
against the law.
Like a hoedown. Turn you in a little bit more.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
There you go.
It does look like a hoedown. Look a little bit like Grand Ole Opry here. All right.
Okay. Photoshop will cover that.
Nice to run on that.
Good deal. All the jeans just It's all right.
Maybe they'll put some nice pants on
Like
us
that,
from
like
on,
that.
so we'll look classy like you.
Yeah.
Look who's there on TV right now. Look, it's us. How about that?
CNN. Fox.
Okay, we're good? Good. Person tall. Turn just a little more, Chris.
All right, sure. How's that?
Bring your legs a little closer together.
Like that? Perfect.
We're done.
Okay, we're all done now.
Yeah, that's fair. All right. There you go. There you go. Good. Here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2.
Is it for visa?
Yeah.
Okay.
6-person visa. Now we're gonna travel together through the passport
Wait,
control.
just wait.
Good, guys. Couple more of those. Here we go. Okay, ready? Good. Chris, make a little head tilt that way.
Got it. Okay?
We're good, we're good?
Okay.
All right, 1, 2 more, here we go. Ready, 1, 2.
Professional models.
Very nice. All right, here we go. Ready, 1, 2. Good.
I blink.
2 more of these. Here we go. And ready.
Good. And Tom and Chris, let me get you guys to switch real quick.
There you go.
That's from the left to the right.
Probably facing the same way, Tom. So kind of left shoulder towards me.
That's great.
A little closer. Right there. Good.
How's that?
That looks good, Chris. Tiny, tiny head tilt. Just a little bit. There you go. Good. All right, guys. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2.
Yeah, you can do a patch floating right at about hand level.
Right.
Yeah, because you can't use the feet for this part.
Right.
That would be something different than we haven't done before.
All right, so Sean likes it more. All right, guys. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2.
Shines the corporate memory.
That was reaching.
He's out.
Your camera's working.
Great. Let's just use it.
All right. Perfect. Here we go, you guys. Ready? Okay. Question mark. On the last one before the Great. And here we go. Ready? Perfect. Do 1 or 2 kind of serious. Serious. Just slight expression. Perfect. And here we go. Good. 1 more smile.
We have none left.
All right. And here we go. Ready? I lied. Hold on.
Liar.
This is good. Just want to get you.
What?
All right. Big grins, big grins. And here we go.
Before you take off the PBA, this is particularly true for PBAs for people that have come from the USA. You're going to flip the mask to normal, somewhere in there, take a deep breath. It's actually recommended to me by people that dive that you take 3 or 4 shallow breaths and then a deep breath. Of course, this is going to be oxygen, so that's going to help. Because the air that you're breathing in through the cartridges goes into this common volume and into the mouth-nose hole. So we've got a video, it's about 1.5 minutes long. First part of it is doing the visual checks on the mask. The second step is for step 2 here, and the actual purgement part of the procedure. What I found doing this action, then I want to breathe, I want to inhale. So you move from this, immediately putting your hands over the cartridges and breathe in, and the mask sucks down to your face. That's the negative pressure. Nice. 6 pages.
So once you have your respirator kit in front of you, you need to take your mask and move the size lid. Verify that both orange gaskets are in place at the cartridge attach points. Verify that the white sealing discs are in place on the inside of the cartridge attach points and the nose mount. Block exhalation port with hand, breathe out forcefully. Now block inlet ports of cartridges.
There's one in the SM. This is number 2. The
Yeah.
other one is number 1.
So just carry the big honking one. The little one here.
This one is non-functional.
Anything going on here?
Do you see anything? Why are you closing that?
I heard something at the end of it.
Oh, you heard something too.
Station Houston,
He said he-
based around 1, we see a rapid decrease. We need you in 1.3.
He said he felt something in Columbus too, so he's closing this hatch.
Okay, copy that, and just to let you know, we found something in Columbus. I'm gonna press the key button also. And Houston station on 1, can you silence all tones as well, please?
We'll do that.
Yuri, Oleg, and Evgenia, you probably copied the last Sounds like there was a noise in Columbus. We've closed the hatch. The rapid depress alarm has gone off. We're going to go to procedure 1.3. We're in the lab. Are you guys all down there? Okay, do that.
No, that's not working. This one.
Oh, sorry, I'm on this one.
You want to stay up here?
That's good.
So initial pressure 30. So I don't see it dropping. 1.3.
Yeah, and then you see it dropping.
Nope.
Very good, steady.
Yep. 1.3, and we're using your pages, right?
Yeah, we should.
Front
But we
pages.
should go. We've done what we need to do here. We should go back
Should I
there.
head on back?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
738, 139. Bring that along.
Okay.
Do we want to take a PBA or two, or?
I think we should just leave them in their appropriate places.
Just
So
leave
we
them
know
here
where
for
they
now?
are. Yeah.
Okay.
And Yuri, we're on our way back to the service module. It looks like the pressure's holding, but we're on our way back. We'll see you there. Oops, sorry. No, they have another copy. I didn't. There's some in the FGB.
Где вы находитесь?
Okay.
Падаешь.
Падает.
You've got the pressure in the time.
I got the initials. 745 copy.
And Yuri, I'm going to call Houston real quick.
Do you want the com config?
Okay.
He's already
Green
done it.
card 745. 745.
745.
It's stable, right?
And stable. Stable.
Houston.
Stable.
Station
745.
691. Let you know where we are. All 6 of us are in the service module. We're in procedure 1.3. It looks like the pressure is stable. The pressure right now is 743, 745, excuse me. And so we're holding here to see if we have any further action, because right now it looks like the pressure is stable.
Okay, we copy. Sunny, and we see the stack pressure is stable, but pressure in Columbus is decreasing rapidly.
Okay, copy that. I guess that's where the leak is.
Has it?
We only closed the Columbus port hatch.
Note to
No.
Oh,
Columbus.
wait a minute.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
Which
No,
one did you
you're
close?
right.
Note 2 starboard. Or, yeah, I think so. Note 2 starboard?
The one that's Columbus port.
Yeah. It's sucked in.
Is it?
Yeah.
Would that hold?
It's sucked that way. Right?
It's
So
sucked.
which hatch is that?
That's the node
Note 2.
Node 2 starboard.
No, just
Where could you
And
find
let
that?
me correct myself. That was node 2 starboard. It sucked closed, so that was
That's what we closed, right?
an obvious catch of where the leak was, either in the Columbus or the vestibule.
Yep.
But right now that one is sucked closed.
Okay, we copy node 2. Starboard, suck closed.
Heard something.
Catch.
It sounds like the situation is safe for the moment, and stand by if we want you to take further action.
Okay, copy that.
I wanted to push before and I tried to talk intercom,
Yeah.
but you didn't answer. I asked you a few times and I realized you have no intercom. I start just taking SG
Yeah.
and you just same time call to ground. So
Then we all
understand
knew. So then we all knew.
things
That's
going
my
on,
yeah.
but I know. I thought it's you push button.
I thought you. I didn't know you pushed
I
it.
just push just in case if you
I was just about to. My finger was like right
if
near
you
there.
will be a little late because I knew you need to push.
But my point is, I think we all had it established with the ground.
Yeah.
All the crew knew, and then the button gets
No,
pushed.
you said we start. Why I wanted
1.3.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to push button.
Okay.
If you didn't tell
Good.
me, that's what I need to know. Is proceed or not?
Yeah.
If you said, just let me sink and I tell you later what to do.
Okay.
That's why I'm
So
asking.
if we say that's cool.
Yeah,
If we
I
say
follow
1.3,
procedure.
we say
Doesn't matter.
1.3, push the
Yeah,
button.
you or me doesn't matter.
Okay. Or the ground.
Rise,
Or the ground. So if anybody says 1.3, throw.
Only because you said 1.3.
Okay.
That's why I did.
All right.
Your
I
order.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Yes. All right. Cool.
All right.
Cool. Very good.
You ready for us to turn our mics on?
Aki, Kevin, if you're for it, I see smoke in Note 2. Come on after the lab.
Grab this.
I think I'm going to be pushing the button.
Okay, push the button.
And you see, no, there's smoke in Note 2. Close the hatch.
Be careful. Tom, do you want us to help us here, or do you want us to move it out?
You got everybody out of there, right? Sunny, Zero?
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody was out.
Yeah, no, just let it.
Oh, just a little.
Head on back, or?
Let's, let me start.
CSACP.
There's another flashlight. Can you grab that on the way?
Let's just take a quick stop here in the reading room.
Sonny, you're no, not on the mask. So
I'm not on the
we're
mask.
okay?
I'm okay right now.
I'm gonna close this off and take it off.
Well, let's get readings here. So what are our numbers, Tom?
Readings in the node 1 are 5, 0.2, and 0.
And can we get them in the lab?
Lab 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4.9, 2.7.
Okay. So I'm asking 200, right?
200.
200, right?
Is
Okay.
it 200.55 or 200?
10.5 right
Still,
now.
still 10.5. Okay.
And Houston Station on Space Ground 1, we're in procedure 2.12. We've got all 6 crew members up here in the lab ready to support. Look through the hatch window and it looks like there's still light smoke in node 2.
Yes.
And Houston Station on Space to Ground 1, we're preparing masks, respirators, and we're just sort of standing by on step 4, procedure 2.12. Just tell us what you would advise us to do there.
Okay, then we copy and we're checking.
They can probably
Yeah.
command it too.
Well, are they going to do that? I don't know if they're going to.
You can,
They're probably going to do it. And Houston, just let us know if you'd like us to remove module power, or if you want to wait, or if you guys want to remove module power. That's step
I think
4.
that would be like the cabin. This
You'd
would be-
rather not keep it on, have it on a pump?
Okay. We'll just compare these two then, the one on the pump and the one not.
Yeah, just please.
EPS, RPCM, LA.
Okay, on Space to Ground 1, we'd like you to move to 6.10 unless you know what the source is.
6.10.
Okay, so that's the other book.
Yeah. Kevin's on it.
Okay, copy that. We're opening up EMER 2 6.10, and just to let you know, once again, we've got a leg beginning, and you're preparing the respirator.
Did you see an
And the
RPC?
FPV.
Didn't see anything?
Okay, we copy that. Thanks.
There's nothing at all. Okay.
They gave us the, so tell me which one it was again before we head up, I'll just memorize it.
Starboard 4, Gulf 1.
Starboard 4, Golf 1.
Okay, if our
Who
look.
doesn't like golf?
And you know where it is?
Starboard 4, Golf 1.
You got the.
Where's the little diagram?
Yeah, if you want to show it to us before we... Okay, so these are already built. This is yours. Good morning.
So sort of like we talked about, right?
Starboard 4, Golf 1. And we should take, kind of prep a fire extinguisher
Yeah,
too.
I got one.
You got that? You want
But
to
if you're gonna shoot this, you need the PDA.
put it all together?
So
Yeah.
starboard 4,
That's a good
Golf
point.
1. Okay, so as you go in from the lab, it's on the port side there?
Now,
Wait, that
starboard.
doesn't make sense. It should be on the starboard side.
Starboard 4.
Golf 1.
Yeah.
Boat's name?
Starboard 4,
Starboard 4.
Golf 1.
I think that's like a rotated picture there. It's a little confusing.
Yeah. It is a little rotated, but.
Okay, what step you are working on?
So we're in step 2.2.
So we're going to go in and sample the atmosphere, and then look behind the panel and compare the readings. And then we'll report them back to you on the page loop. Does that sound good?
And Aki, I need you here with the CSACP because they're going to open up. So me and you need to be ready for PBAs in case it gets bad, right? So we need a CSACP
I
here.
got one here, and they're gonna take them over.
You're taking the sample port, and we probably need another one because Because we want here one, right? Oh, okay, you guys have two. Awesome, great.
Maybe leave those here.
Yep.
And then you guys take this.
All good? Put your harness down.
If you can keep an eye on the CSACP readings, just make sure that smoke's not coming in.
Oh, sorry. And Kevin in the starboard port, Golf 1, sends the fire port. Have the hatch open for monitoring CSACP readings in the lab.
So 30 seconds on here. What do I see in here?
In the cabin,
Cabin with all the
you're seeing 298,
298.
9.1, 6.3.
Behind that port. Very high level behind that port. Bigger than 400.
Starboard 4?
Yes.
Greater than 400.
That ground fire port, we see high levels.
Fire port, we have pretty high readings, somewhere around 400. We'll get a number shortly.
Okay, let's go ahead and move back out for just a minute here. Yuri.
Is it going up or stable?
Oh, that's a good question.
And you can use fingers.
When we come back, I'll Okay, we should do step 3, right? Yeah.
So we have a background reading in those two.
Step 3. You want to do step 3 now? Step 3? Step 3? Yeah.
Step 3.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. You want a background? And Kevin, get a background reading.
Round 1, step 3 of 6.
Okay, what's my latest background? And we'll head back
In background, 301,
Okay, yeah.
9.3, 6.5.
Okay, let's go back to the lab. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we've got about 300 in the cabin, 450 behind the cabin.
300 in the cabin, 450 behind the panel.
Just so we all know where we're going after this, we'll go in and sample again. And if it's above, then we're going to be going to node 2 electrical power off. The ground is ready for this. So they're going to ask this question. Sample fire port for 5 minutes. We'll record the values every 30 seconds.
How long do you want to wait?
Step 3 is done, yeah. So we're next into step 4. Just to let you know, when they unpowered that, the starboard ATU doesn't work, so don't try and use it.
Okay, we'll just come back to that talk.
Okay.
You can use them.
Yeah, okay.
For readings,
Advanced planning.
697. Okay. All right. Good luck.
Goodbye, guys.
Be safe out there.
We will use that.
Almost same for cabin.
Almost same for cabin.
Yeah.
Okay, same level. Yeah.
Houston, just to let you know, we reopened the hatch. It really wasn't closed. We sort of pre-treated it anyway. But Yuri and Kevin are back in there. The background reading in the node 2 is about the same, around 300.
Okay, what do I see?
Fire port reading is 455.
455.
Fire port reading 455. I think it's a little high, but it's about the same.
We'd like to know if the starboard 4 rack readings are increasing.
Yeah, it increased a little bit. It's about 455, but that rate has decreased, it seems like, from before.
So please, commander at the center, and the other crew members on the side.
Олег, Людмила, тебя уже не уважают.
Да это вообще уже, это я молчу просто. Чё?
Ребят, внимание, пожалуйста.
Okay, look here, guys. Please smile.
Да.
Я не знаю, у них, по-моему,
Все, все, я здесь на месте. Вы все сфотографировали? Нет, ну поставьте.
Да? Улыбаемся.
Smile, please.
Помахать рукой, если есть желание.
And you're welcome to wave your hand.
Я просто не слышно. А, извиняюсь.
It's difficult to hear you. Sorry.
Можно провести сразу вариант WhatsApp, где у вас будет
Писать, что закрыть громоотвод.
Это все так же подпол.
Одеть привязную, одеть перчатки. Исходим 4.
Это очень большой время, потому что мы раньше пришли, написали уже.
У нас задымилось. Я мы просто ходим.
Если уже как у вас играть. Точно. Чтобы кто отработал, холл.
Even if we're Beaumont, we could put it in at 36,750. That might be a little shorter than we need. In Beaumont, we kind of heavyweight. We may not want to just put it right on there. We can come. All right. Sit in the seat real quick. Or if I feel like I'm getting close, go ahead and press it. Okay. And then let's see, we get hypoxic. We have bad oxygen in the aircraft. Having get oxygen.
Yep, you got your, not a green apple anymore, but got that handle, yank it.
Okay. All right, that's actuated when we ride the rails if we have.
That's automatically actuated, yeah, we have it right up.
All right.
If I come down, I don't have a seat kit yet, I can pull that up.
Okay, sounds good.
things need on this watch yellow.
You got that one?
I'll get this one.
All righty.
Creek. What am I doing?
Looks good to me.
also for Dragon, do we still have a couple things we're going to look at on this display, this triangle here? Remember that? Where I said I want to see no messages. And
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that today. But yeah.
Because that changes and stuff. The Cygnus is going to have that too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
2 pins.
2 pins.
One pin.
1 pin.
Over the pin.
Pen. Envelope. Goes the grapple. Squeeze. Released.
No.
Capture and close. And we're looking for origin position up here. Capture matches no. Magic number 17.
Yes.
17. Past 17. So load safe.
All right.
Right?
Right. 1.5 meters.
КС готов. Доложил, вот инженер. Хорошо. Как обычно, традиционно. Вопросы? Нет, спасибо. Порядок? Нормально.
Спасибо. Спасибо. Good. Успехов.
А подарки? О, подарки.
Вот так я взял.
Уважаемая комиссия, следующий экипаж корабля «Союз ПМА-06М». Сдача экзаменационной тренировки по кораблю готовы. Командир корабля, космонавт Романенко. Доброе утро. Правильно, номер правильно. Я разбил серп. Можете перейти. Какие-нибудь вопросы? Все понятно? Спасибо. Если вопросов нет, помните, где тренажер? Какой? Удачи в тренировке. Удачи. Удачи. Спасибо.
Ну надо как всегда.
А как всегда?
Как? Дружба.
Да.
Спасибо.
Нормально?
Состояние содержимое. Телефон приводится в рабочее состояние следствия. Делается на 2 секунды вот эта клавиша.
Radio button so you can see this will auto populate.
Gotcha.
So it's a little harder to read out.
Alright.
So we have to auto cycle them once a year if we don't use them. Our agreement, however, is we're not going to auto cycle them.
Very long charge cable, 12 foot. EMU, either of these, right? Is that good? Should be, should be the EMU lithium-ion battery, long charge cable, 12 foot. It is. Okay. Either end of the 120 volt power cable can be installed, but to functionally work, cable ends must be installed according to their labels. Have to use the labels. Yeah. So, on the charger, as required, remove the caps on the charger and the cable connectors, and then we want to connect the the EMU lithium-ion battery, Y.
That's the
EMU battery charger.
Y is the 28 volt power cable, the 9-foot 28 volt power cable, okay? And the end that says EMU lithium-ion battery, and connect it to the charger power connector. A output connector. Okay, 12 foot goes to charger channel A, B, or A and B output connector. Which one?
Yeah. So we can charge one or both of them.
Volt check is required. So we need to record the battery volts,
It's 18.51 in this
temperature, and module volts in table 1 and report to Houston on the pin. So I see, how do you read this? I see 18.51 volts, I think, and then battery temp 20. Battery volts, temperature, and module volts. Module. 5 modules?
Yeah.
Volts. Okay.
Record them all.
Yep.
Direct. We write these in the table, and we report them to the ground. Do you want me to write them down?
No, sir.
Okay.
That looks like a Reba BSA.
Let's see what we're doing here.
And you're going to connect that to the aux
Reba
charge
BSA
port.
cable. I found the aux charge port. I found a plug that looks right.
Yeah.
Sounds like about right. Does it say something on it? No, but we assume we got the right guy. It's tied up.
Usually these things actually have like battery chargers too. Battery chargers for right up here, and it's kind of hidden down here. So if I were to do it, I would make it a little better. So
The hard tone. All right. See.
Didn't say.
Didn't say.
I'm sorry, didn't say
Reba.
Off or on?
Switch.
Oh, they should be off.
Expect the O2's off message displayed below. Switch fan off. Expect fan switch off message. Okay, Actex sample adapter, take it off. Right. This. And it's 20.1 for both. So, EMU bi-side filter we've connected for the picture. Temperature valve, max cold. Check status, water temperature, record the water temperature on the ECM. As comments, tell Houston, switch fan to on.
This, and I wanted to show where it says the template.
Template?
Yeah, which one?
Start thinking about how life.
Absolutely. You don't want to have a problem. Wave. Hey, wave. There we go. Hey, bye, Chris. Wave bye, bud. He makes flashes.
That's awesome.
Welcome to
Nash OSTPV. So today we have our DPC, we have we do through OSTPV together. We're starting up some PCS.
So this is located at
You want to take a look at this?
GP.
Yeah, well, I don't know how the Soyuz is on the FGB nadir. What happened to the meme?
I don't know if any of these caution messages are real for the sound, but pretend like they are.
So for me, you saw they had an outstanding question in the daily summary for you, Tom. They were going to answer. Thanks. It's on like the second page here. Answer for Tom. So
Give me 2 minutes. I check everything inside.
That's great.
In a second.
Yeah, there's time. Sure.
Oh, no, not really. The Russians are in control, masters. So we are in. We're not in. We're in drift. Huh.
Really? What's attitude control?
The Russians are masters. Thrusters are only in drift.
Why?
I don't know.
Why are we in thrusters only?
Yeah.
Is that what it said in the? It's not what I thought I saw. Yeah, I think CNC was 1, 2, 3, wasn't it?
Yep.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
1, certainly. Yeah.
Primes on 1, backups on 2, standbys on 3. Did you ever look at COM? I can have a look at it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Okay.
S-band
Tell me look what you got there.
Stream 2.
I want to check the class select.
Otherwise, you get a lot of cautions. So, full green card, everything is like you see it in the daily summary.
Okay. Роман, что интересно здесь? Русский сегмент управляет сейчас только предыдущий.
Окей.
We the TEA.
Thrusters only.
Yeah, we TEA.
Окей. Так. Значит, level 1, starboard 4, G2.
DPC начинается через минут 5.
G1, FG. Здесь нет. G2.
Да, через. S-банд у нас нет.
Anything else for the morning? DPC.
I understand this right. There's only one step on this
You
thing.
guys on the comm, we're having trouble getting that set up, so just assume you have comm when you need it.
Okay, thanks.
We'll try and make it look right as soon as we can.
So will we.
You can pretend the meme is there, but yes, your still uses at the FTP. Shut off for purposes of today.
Copy.
Okay, that's all we have from Houston. Do you have any questions for us before I hand you over to Huntsville?
Nope.
We aren't going to have Munich, Scuba, or Moscow. They won't have anything for you, so that's it.
Good.
Okay, as I understand it then, the DPC is complete. We have no further questions and we'll start into OSTPB a little bit early.
watching NASA Television.